Moving forward, Pro-Democracy Coalition of Nigeria has charged Chidi Lloyd, the chairman of Emohua, and other local government chairmen in Rivers State to vacate office after the expiration of their tenure. Recall that the Rivers State High Court sitting in Port Harcourt had last month nullified tenure extension for the chairman of the 23 local government areas in the state. This was as the court declared the Local Government Law Number 2 of 2024, which extended the tenure of local government chairmen by 6 months after the expiration of their tenure as invalid. Now, do not forget, before Chidi Lloyd also made this statement, Samuel Wanosike of Ikore local government had also come out to say that he will not step down. But that statement by Samuel Wanosike followed an ex parte order by the Appellate Court over the order of Justice Wale with regards to the local government tenure extension. Already, this matter has been appealed at appeal court. So, make it make sense to me what is going on right now.
Okay, thank you very much. You see, I will start by reacting with the orders, conflicting orders, and final judgment of court. We need to let our viewers understand the nitty-gritties of these orders. Interlocutory orders are temporary reliefs that the court can grant an applicant. It can either be granted the claimant or the defender, depending on who is asking. Okay? So, at this point, a High Court of Rivers State have previously given an interlocutory order asking that parties should maintain status quo. At some point, another one gave an order recognizing the new speaker and all that and all that. You see, now, the case of Wosa and co against the 27, Martin Samehule and PDP and all that. You see, that judgment was a final judgment of the court. Okay, and in the eyes of the law, the final judgment of the court supersedes interlocutory orders from same court of coordinate jurisdiction. Then now, local government House of Assembly concern in Rivers State. If we are to look at what the law says and the proper court to entertain a House of Assembly problem, it is not the State High Court. Okay? Unless it has the infraction of abuse or like abuse of fundamental human rights, which in this case you can sift from that it has. So, to lay proper foundation, the High Court of a state does not have jurisdiction.
The Attorney General, of course, has said that the High Court, in his speech,
said
that the High Court does not, that only a federal High Court.
No, if you look at, not just
but
because...
But Justice Wale is of the State High Court, isn't he?
Yes, I said before, let us lay proper foundation to this. If you look at section 2732 of the Constitution, it's very clear as to jurisdiction of the High Court and all that. Then you look at 271, it's very clear as to jurisdiction of the Federal High Court, which matters they can entertain.
Yes.
Yes. On this matter, clearly, I was reading through the certified true copy of the judgment from Justice Basam's court. You know, people interpret judgments the way they understand. And it is believed that journalists were misled. Okay, if you look at a particular judgment of the court, the ratio, which is the reason for deciding a judgment, we call it ratio decidendi. That is the proper judgment of the court. Then there is what to call obita dingdum. The obita are statements a judge makes in course of giving his judgment. You know, there will be remarks, there will be, you know, different types of statements as to what was brought before him. But in this particular matter now, you see that there were about 3 or 4 orders made by the court, which is very clear. You know, we are saying this for purpose of clarity so that viewers out there won't be confused. The judge ordered that his court does not have jurisdiction on the matter.
Yes.
Okay? Then secondly, he ordered that PDP should be recognized as fourth respondent and all other orders. Right. Then he also ordered on locus standi. That locus standi there simply means that the parties who brought the case to court does not have the locus to apply to the court because they are not House of Assembly members and they are not officials of Rivers State government. So that was exactly what happened. So Court of Appeal, in this instance, I think Court of Appeal will reconcile all these orders and no orders and all that and give it a proper face.
All right. So, Honorable Churchill, in a minute.
No, the only thing I have to say is that any group has their own opinion. Okay. But so far as this matter is concerned, what I know is that the court has the final say.
Right.
So them, they can just group any group. They can group any group because they are doing it. I've called them their name already. You know them. Within a crisis people.
All right. All right. Thank you so much, Honorable Churchill, for coming on Open Conversation.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Damzi Ekulo, ESQ, for coming. It's always a pleasure having you.